We've developed a new geospatial interface here on our Insight to Impact data portal. This interface makes it easier to understand the financial market landscape of each region and country, so financial service providers and policymakers can make better informed decisions. You can overlay various types of data on our map to provide rich analysis. You can also upload and manage your own geospatial data on the interface on the portal. This provides a great resource for financial service providers and policymakers to monitor and evaluate in real time the shifts of financial access points. So, let's look at the ways you can use this new interface on the portal. How can you use the geospatial interface to better understand the insurable risks in a country? You could start by picking a country, Lesotho for example. When its data was collected in 2016, it had a population of 2 million. One of Lesotho's biggest risks is erosion, with 31% of its population relying on farming. To view the erosion risk in Lesotho, you go to Additional Data and select Erosion Risk. You can see how much Lesotho is affected by erosion as compared to other countries in Africa. With the population layer, you can see where people are living or farming. You can see the highly populated areas and where the high erosion areas are. You can also toggle layers on and off. Now let's bring in insurance companies. Return to sectors and scroll down to insurance companies. You can see insurance companies in all major towns, 31 in total. Insurance companies can add additional data to a map, and they can focus on specific problem areas at their branches.